about an hour. We just had some pizza. We kind of killed our pizza. And yeah, so our flight's gonna be 6 hours to our next destination. So we will see you guys there. Oh, it's cute. This is our room. Not a view at all. Oh, can we go out here? Oh no, it's locked. Is it? Oh no, we could go out here. Ooh, not a view, but we can go out here, that's for sure. Hey guys, so we are in our room. I'm getting dressed. Jaime's in the shower and I am so tired. Like I feel, this lighting is terrible, sorry. I feel so jet lagged. I can't even like begin to explain. We got here, it took us a while to check into our room. So we like walked around Lisbon for a little bit and then we got to our room and we took a quick nap. And then now I'm gonna get ready because we are gonna go out for a little bit and then we're gonna go have dinner. So I'll take you guys along in just a little bit. All right, so we are out of the room and we are looking for something to eat. So nice outside. I like it, yeah. Cheers, mate. All right, so we're walking up this steep hill. We're gonna try to make it to Pink Street tonight. Put on comfy shoes when you come out here because these hills are steep. we have our morning coffee. We are going on a tour. It's going to be a really long tour, but we're going to get to see pretty much all of Portugal today, right babe? This coffee's pretty good. Just some coffee with cream and or milk and sugar. But it's a really nice day out. A little nippy, but I feel like it's going to be a lot better later today. So let's go.
Imagine a valley. So the oldest part of the city, it's in the right side where the St. George's Castle is. This is the down part of the valley, and then to the left it goes up again to the nightlife district.
Hello. Don't, babe. Oh man, I'm kind of scared. Babe? Atlantico. Wow. This castle is amazing. Dang, these are so short. I could touch it. What are we eating, babe? Break it down.
Portuguese
Snacks. So this one that we kind of finished is a cheese and tomatoes. But this one is ham and cheese?
and like pork.
Okay, let's check this. Here, let's check out this donut so you can see how pretty it is. And then we got a nice little latte, and then we got some water. Emma's gonna cleanse his soul right there. You're gonna cleanse your soul, babe, of all your sins. Wow.
clean still.
Yeah.
But
I'm
it doesn't
surprised that
smell
it doesn't
like
stink.
No, it doesn't. No.
You're gonna, I don't feel like that's where we're going. A little bit of food action. And my date. Hello, hello date. 2, please. Thank you.
Oh.
We need to put it standing up. We are at this little bar. We're actually pretty high up. You can see the entire city here. It looks so nice. You can see the tower right here. They have like a nice little restaurant upstairs and a nice little bar here. We're gonna probably try to get a drink real quick and refresh because it's so hot outside today. I actually came so unprepared, but I'm having a take me to Cuba. A take me to Cuba. It's pretty tasty. And then, babe, do you know what you had?
I have no clue how to say it.
And then chips and guac, which we pretty much killed.
And it's one of the best hot fish cakes. So let's go inside. Green wine, it's a category on its own. Can be whites and can be reds, but it's sparkling, a bit sparkling.
Wow, that's beautiful. Wow, that's beautiful.